In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group database entries by category or tag. This is a really useful skill to have, especially when you're managing a large amount of information and need a good system to keep everything organized. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace. In this example, we're using Notion, a popular tool for wikis, docs, and projects. Open up your web browser and go to the Notion website. If you're not logged in already, make sure to do so by clicking on Log In. Enter your credentials, and then you'll find yourself at the Notion homepage. Once logged in, it's time to create a new page. This page will house the database you're about to construct. You'll find the option to create a new page on your dashboard. Click on it to get started. Now that your new page is ready, it's time to set up your database. Notion offers a variety of database types, so you're spoiled for choice. For the purpose of organizing entries by categories or tags, let's go ahead and choose a new database. With your database open, you'll see an option labeled Add Properties. Click on it. Adding properties is a crucial step. Properties are essentially fields or columns in your database. They help you store different types of information, like text, numbers, dates, or in our case, tags. Now, let's name a property explicitly for tags. When you add tags, you're essentially defining categories that will help you group your database entries logically. Next, click on Add Tags in the property settings. Here you can define specific tags or categories that your entries will belong to. It's helpful to think about these in advance, so your database is structured neatly from the start. For instance, if your database is for managing projects, your tags might include things like research, design, development, or testing. With your tags in place, it's time to create views. Views allow you to sort or filter your database by the categories you've set with your tags. Click on Add View and choose a view type that suits your needs, whether it's a table, board, calendar, or any other option. These views offer flexible ways to visualize and interact with your data. Finally, populate your database with entries. Click on Add Pages to start creating items within your database, and don't forget to assign tags to each entry. This ensures they're grouped accurately based on the categories you've defined. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a robust system for grouping database entries by category or tag using Notion. With this organization, you'll find it easier to manage and retrieve the information you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps simplify your workflow.